So guys, hello everyone, myself Pirevrat and welcome to our YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. So in this video, we'll be discussing about the Walmart off-campus drive 2023. So before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe so that you'll be able to get the various off-campus drive updates and also about the various preparation videos, like how to prepare for the various off-campus and the on-campus drives. And also in our last video we discussed about the entity data off campus drive and also about the emphasis, unisys and the infosys off campus drive. So if you are willing to apply for this entity data off campus, the link is there in the description of this video. You can apply for this entity data if you missed the opportunity. So there are three different of locations, positions are available for this entity data. So you can apply any of these locations as per your eligibility and as per your areas of interest. And those are only for the freshers or the candidates, those who are having 0 to 2 years of experience. Those are eligible, and there is no percentage criteria here. So any non career candidates can also apply for these positions. So now let's discuss about this Walmart off campus. So they're hiring for the global business service Procure to pay position, and the location they're hiring for the Gurgaon location, and the job was posted 3 days ago, and this is the job ID. So if you are interested, then you can reach out to any Walmart employee and ask them to refer you for this position, and you can use this job ID for the referral. Right, so now let's discuss one by one about what we'll be doing and what will be your roles and responsibilities and all. So managing all the supplier onboarding activities, including the replications and the any subsequent exit management suppliers and all, because this is a procure to pay. That means whatever the procurements are happening through any vendors and all, you should be you should be dealing with that only. And contract renew and requalification etc. Work with the MDM for the vendor status change etc. and handle the various vendor termination if any vendor is being terminated, right? And these are like various works you'll be doing. And what will be you'll be bringing, or like what will be the qualifications required for this position. So bachelor's degree in any discipline, that means BTech or any branch candidates, or the qualification bachelor's degree qualification candidates are eligible. And provided there is no specific IT or non-IT criteria here, that means all branch candidates can apply. Mechanical, civil, electrical or the CSE IT students are eligible, and you should be having 0 to 2 years of experience or work experience in relevant field, that means in procure to pay operations field. And it is not mandatory, but yes, it is preferable. And exposure to SAP application or other procurement systems would be ideal, but it is not mandatory again. That means ideal, that means if you have gone through any certification or any other exposures or the hands-on experience, then you should be you'll be getting more preferences in this case. And proficient in Excel because you'll be dealing with the details of the various vendors and all. So you should be having knowledge about a very good hands-on experience in Excel, like how exactly you can deal with the various pivoting and other things, or the analysis or so and so. And so this is all about the position, and this is all about the qualification. And one more thing here, so any best candidates can apply for this position, provided you should be ready to join their company within immediate to 0 to 1 month of notice period. So that means if you belong to any 2024 batch or some later batch, then you may not be eligible, because you may not be able to join their company in a very short notice, right? Other than this, other candidates are eligible. And if you are interested for this position, simply click on the apply, then you'll be able to apply for this position. So there are basically many options are available, like autofill with resume, apply manually, or apply with the application, or the last application, apply with the LinkedIn. So it's up to you, how do you want to apply. So you can do autofill with resume. So for that you have to import your updated resume, And also you have to log into the your my workday portal. This is the workday page. Here you need to log in. So it's like little bit time consuming process, because in the workday they maintain certain kind of steps in order to apply for the positions. So here you have to join their community, or here if you see email address and password. So if you don't have any email address or the like account created earlier, then you can click on the create account. Then you'll be able to create an account. Then you have to import your resume. Then automatically it will fetch the basic details. You have to just a little bit rectify the autofills, and you can review, and you need to also choose some of the mandatory fields about the volunteer questions. And once it is done, you can review and click on the submit. So this is all about the application process. So I hope it is clear to you all. So if you have any doubt regarding this opportunity, you can comment your doubts in the comment section below. So I'll be posting this link in the description of this video, so that you can apply for this position before it gets expired. So guys, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.